Hi everyone, I am Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I am going to share with you about my English journey. 2 years ago, I searched in YouTube how can learn English. So at that time, I got Josman Sir videos from YouTube. Josman Sir with OK Latif, Josman Sir with Jasil, this kind of videos. Then I watched some videos at that time. At that time, I very attracted in that videos. Then I got Josman Sir number from one video. Then I took the number and I called Josman Sir. And I got Josman Sir and I told Josman Sir, Sir, I like very much your method. Please add my number in your WhatsApp group. Then Josman Sir added my number in his WhatsApp groups. Then this manner I started my English practice journey. And before joined in these kind of groups, I was complete zero. I didn't know anything about English. Then I started to speak other people with it. But at that time also I didn't know how can do practice. So I discussed with other co-learners with I discussed how can practice. That time senior members told me you should watch conversation videos more and more. That time you will get idea how can communicate with other people, how can use your body language, how can make sentences, everything you can understand from conversation videos. Then I started to watch more conversation videos. At that time also I didn't know the practical methods because I watched the one video one time only. So I started to speak with other people. The beginning time I could speak with other people only few minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. After 6 months also, after completed 6 months, that time also I couldn't get enough fluency. Then I got a English native person video. He's a British teacher. Then he's speaking very simple English. Then I watched his video. That time he mentioned in his video, if you want to remember the sentences, you have to watch the same video multiple time, 3 times, 5 times. Only you can remember the sentences. When you speak with other people, you can remember the sentences. And if you read English content, you should read the same content 3 or 5 times. Only then you can use the sentences when you speak with other people. At that time, I understood the ideas. Then after this speech, I started to follow the same method. I watched the same video multiple time, 3 times or 5 times. I read the same content 3 or 5 times. This method I have been keeping this method this long time. So that's why I speak this manner now. And another matter, if we start to practice English, if we start to learn English, we will face so many problems also, because in our groups most of the members they are very good behavior members, but sometimes you will get some bad behavior members also, you will get very rare only. So one lady humiliated me. She asked my education, then I revealed my education. That time the lady openly told me, no, I am not ready to speak with you because you have no enough education. And she cut her phone. But after this incident, I became very adamant stubborn mindset, because I thought, okay, if she avoid me, I want learn this language complete no matter what. Then most of the people, when they get a humiliation from other people at that time, maybe they fed up, they disappointed complete. Then maybe they will stop their practice. But what I did, I increased my practice. I started to speak, connect more and more people. I started to watch more and more videos. I started to read English content regularly. This manner, I have been continuing my practice this long time. So, and I want to tell you one matter. If you start English practice, all the people think the people can learn this language within few period, within 3 months, within 6 months. This kind of misperception. Most of the people have this kind of misperception. English is our second language. That's why if you want to learn English, it will take time. But if you continue your practice, you can easily learn this language. First, I told you before also, you should watch the same video multiple time. You should read the same English content multiple time, and you should follow the same person video continuously. Because if you watch today one conversation video and you change it, and the next time if you watch other person video, maybe you cannot improve your skill, especially in the beginning time, because different people make sentences different manner. That's why if you change again and again, change your speaking practice, maybe you will have more confusion. So especially in beginning time, you have to follow the same person video continuously, and you have to follow the same English content regularly. Because if you, especially the beginning time, people can read simple sentence stories. Why simple sentence stories? Because simple sentence stories, storytellers make with simple sentences. That's why beginners can easily understand, and when they communicate with other people, beginners can use the sentences there. And you can follow the same story link continuously, because story also different people make different sentences. That's why if you follow the same person video, same person stories, you get improvement more. And when you get enough fluency, after you can watch all types of video, after you can read all types of English content, there is no problem. And you also face, if you practice English, you also face some humiliation, some embarrassment. This kind of problem you also face from people. But we can understand it. If we do any other activity, if we try to learn any other skill, that time also we will get humiliation, we will get some problems. It is very normal matter. But the confidence people, they can continue their process, they can continue their learning process. So, but you need to understand one matter. People have different intelligence, different ability. So you never compare with other people. You never compare other people, because if you compare you with other people, you think they get fluency very soon, I don't get it. Because maybe you get fluency very soon, other people will take time. Maybe they get fluency very soon, you will take time. No problem. Because but you have to continue, you can achieve your goal. And another matter, I told you, you should follow the same method, because we have 4 practical methods: listening, speaking, reading and writing. You can also follow these 4 methods. If you don't have more time, you can follow 2 practical methods: listening and speaking. In listening included watching also. In my opinion, beginners can watch more and more conversation videos. That's better because they can improve more. They can watch conversation videos and they can speak with other people. These two practice, if they follow, they can improve. And another matter, think in English. Self practice also very better because if you want to get fluency very soon, you can think in English. After wake up, you can think, I woke up now, I have to go bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face. After get off the bathroom, I want to drink a cup of water. After I want to do exercise. After exercise, I want to take a bath after I have my breakfast. This manner, everything you can elaborate in English. You can describe in English. That time, it will become your habit. This manner, you can improve your English skill very soon. And you try to speak all types of people. Some people, they like to speak only Malayali people with. But if you speak only Malayali people with, you can understand Malayali people English accent. But you cannot understand other state people accent. So you should try to connect Malayali people with and other states people with, other countries people with also. You should try to speak. And whenever you get a chance to speak any native speakers, you should utilize that chance because when you speak with the native people, definitely you can gain your confidence level. Because I spoke with 4 English native people. When I spoke with them after the conversation, I got more confidence. So, if I get a chance to speak with native people, I never miss the chance. I try to get a chance to speak with them. It is my habit. And when you get any humiliation, this kind of matter, that time you should practice more. You never become disappointed. It is my opinion. Because if you disappoint, you cannot continue your practice. And another matter, if you, some people tell they don't get enough time to practice. But it is also a lie because all the people have 24 hours. So if you very busy with your job and other things, you try to wake up some early and you try to practice in the morning time, because morning time is very important, because morning time our mindset is complete free. So if we practice morning, we can improve more. Especially morning time, you should do 2 types of practice. One is listening, another one is speaking. You can understand it. In the past time, at that time, if the people wanted to learn English, they didn't have this kind of facility. They didn't get information from YouTube. They didn't have this kind of WhatsApp group. But now we have very easy because we have so many WhatsApp groups. You don't need to pay money in the WhatsApp groups. You can easily join in the WhatsApp groups and you can practice in the WhatsApp groups complete free. So if we have a strong intention, we can easily learn this language because it is very important language. If you travel any other states, that time also it's very useful, helpful, because in India we have about 20 sufficient languages. So all the states people, they use second language English. That's why if you go to Tamil Nadu or other North Indian states, everywhere, especially in the town area, if you know English, if you can speak English, you can easily communicate with other people. And if you are a businessman, you get help there also with your business also. Frequently I get some Arabic people and other customers also. I can communicate with them in English. I'm very happy now because I get so many chances to speak other people with English now. And some people, they only speak with phone, on the phone. If they get chance to speak in face to face, that time also they don't utilize their chance. But it is very wrong. It is very wrong because whenever you get chance to speak face to face, you should utilize your chance, because when you speak with other people face to face, at that time you can gain your confidence more and more. In my case, sometimes I get a chance to speak face to face. I have two friends. One is Yusuf Ka. He can speak English little bit. Another one is Rashid. Rashid can speak English very fluently. If they are ready to speak with me English, I speak with them English. When I meet them, I speak with them in English. And sometimes I get other people also. Whenever I get a chance to speak in English, I utilize my chance. And because 1.5 years ago, in my shop nearby, a CA college started. There, about 1,000 people are 1,000 students are studying there. So sometimes I get customers from the college. Some students can speak fluent English. Whenever I get a chance to speak with them, I should utilize. It is my habit now. I don't hesitate to speak English in front of people. If I get a chance to speak in front of people, if I get a chance to speak in front of people, I will utilize. Why we hesitate? We can expose our skill. There is no, we don't need to hesitate. Okay, and I share with you some my knowledge, and I will make solo videos in the future also. You will get my videos. If you like my advice, my videos, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.